I finally found what I've been looking for. It has been a couple of months now that I own this Goldwing, and I have been trying different type of wax and shampoos and so on, right? To get the best result. And finally I found something. Honestly, I tried the Top Coat F11 if you are not following me, so I just tried the turtle wax seal and shine, lemon pledge, mock off. I tried so many products and none of them worked for me the way that I was expecting, right? So I have a friend who does rust proofing for cars. I spoke to him and I explained to him over the phone that what I need, right? I told him that I need something that makes the cleaning easy, right? Makes the job easier for me. Then he told me, why don't you try Spotless Shampoo? I said, what's a Spotless Shampoo, right? He said, Mothers. We use Mothers and it doesn't leave any spots after the wash and it's perfect for washing. And then I went online and I found that I think I bought this one from Canadian Tire, I guess. So it's Mothers California Gold Wash and Wax. It's a perfect product. I washed my bike right now, and honestly, you can wash with this one touchless. You don't need to touch it. So all you need to spray the water, spray the shampoo, and then rinse it with water. You don't even need to dry it. What I used to dry it was a blower. I used my blower to just dry up my bike. I didn't use any towel or anything else to dry it up. And look at this. It's amazing. I love it. Let me see if I can show you a close-up, but other than that, trust me, I'm not making any money out of these products. These are not sponsored, and as I said, I have spent hundreds of dollars, believe me or not, hundreds of dollars to find a product that's gonna work for me. So people have different expectations. My expectation out of these products was something that makes the next cleaning job easier. Next cleaning, right? I'm okay to spend a little bit more time, do the cleaning, use the product, wax it, and then but as long as it makes the next cleaning job easier. With this one, I don't need to think about it. So all I need is to spray water and then spray the shampoo and then rinse it off with water and then use my blower to dry the bike up. That's it. This is not my first time using this product. This is my second time using it. And first time when I used it, I was impressed, right? But I didn't want to make a video out of it because I wanted to try it for the second time and make sure that I'm right and then let you guys know about it. So this is the second time that I'm using this product and I'm super happy with it. I'm getting the result that I want. As I said, it makes the job a lot easier than what you guys expect. You just spray the shampoo, rinse it with water, and that's it. No waxing, nothing. You don't need to use any towels, so that's perfect, right? If you're using a towel, that's okay, but if you don't use it, it's still all right. Look, I haven't used anything. So let me show you a close-up picture of the bike. So guys, I'm making this video because I don't want you to go through all the headaches that I went to and all the money that I have spent to get the experience and to know what to use, right? So I'm happy if I can help, right? As I said, I don't want you guys to spend tons of money and time to find the right product. I'm not making any money out of it, and this is the product that I found very useful and it get the job done. So yeah, thank you for watching.